TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading story, so it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView Upload Guide for beginners. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. Of your various things that you have to know about this platform, which is also the definition. So TradingView is a user platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using. Right? So all I have to do right now is just click over here in the top right over get started, and you will find a page which is this one. If you want to sign up for free, click over here and you get started. If you have here money and you want to choose one of this package, we have here the essential one plus one, and we have the premium one, and then we have here the professional one and the non-professional one. About the non-professional one, we have here you have to pay $13 per month, or you have to pay 155 or $56 per year. So about here the features, we have 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, temporal chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range pairs, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators. Then we have here the second one, which is the plus one. You have to pay $25 per month or pay $300 per year. So we have here try for free for each one here about these packages. So about the first month here, not have to pay, but you have to link your personal information about your card number and other things before getting started, and you click over here. Because I know you will just here think that you will use it for 1 month, then you will here delete it, or you will just go to the next one. All right, so also we have about here so the features, we have 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, 20 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range pairs, multiple watch list, bar replay, indicators on indicators. We have a chart data export, and the various things. Also, we have here about the last one, which is the premium. You have to pay $15 per year per month, and per year you have to pay $600 per year. So we have here 8 charts per tab. About the features, 25 indicators per chart, 20,000 here historical bars, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, 50 parallel chart connections, and we have also here no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export, chart based on custom formulas, time price, opportunity, volume, footprint. Then we have also auto chart patterns. Then we have also here second based alerts that don't expire, publish and invite only scripts, second based intervals as well. All right, so let's just right now here select the professional one. We have 2 package, which is the expert and the ultimate one. About the first one, you have to pay $2,000 per month, or you have to pay $2,003 or $400 per year. About here the ultimate, you have to pay $500 per month or $6,000 per year. So right now all I have to do is just click over sign up to get started, and you have to choose here if one of the option of email, sign in with Google. We have also here Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, sign in with Apple or LinkedIn. I will just right now select the option of sign in here, and then I will just choose, for example, Google, because it's very easy. I'll just select here my Gmail. Then you'll find the other page, which is this platform. As you can see, we have my account. As you can see, I will just click over here to find the dashboard. So let's just click over here in the top left, and I will select firstly here products. Then I will just select super charts. Then you'll find the dashboard how it looks right now. So once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard, where you will see a variety of charts and stock tickers. Simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for that asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. Alright, so right now I will just here click over, for example, those options if because it's very helpful to use it. Also, we have here in the top other options that could help you also if you want indicators, and also we have here, for example, indicator templates, create alerts for a bar play. We have also here watch list, and for example we have watch list details and news. We have just to click over it, or you can just select here the option of, here we have the option of alerts, then we have data windows. About this one you will find here this options, and we have date, and we have object tree data window as well. Then we have also here my ideas. You can just add your ideas by looking over here, and you get started by publishing idea. You can also here use ChatGPT or the description about this one, and you click over continue once you're done with your description or you're publishing your ideas. Also we have here the option of chats. About this one you have just to start chatting, and also we have here other options. For example, we have idea stream, then we have also here notification, we have also here screeners, then we have also here calendars, help center as well, right? So right now let's just come back here to the home page. Let's select again the same thing. All right, so we have here on the left of various things. For example, you have to select if you want a cross, if you want to also here a row, eraser, we have here magic as well. And also you can just select here if you want the option of trend line or lines, then we have here the option also of Fibonacci, and also we have here if we want partners, patterns, and we have a projection, and also we have here phone brushes, then we have here phone the option of text and notes, then we have also here icons and emojis, and also we have a measure, zoom in if you want a magnetic mode snaps drawing, place near price bars to the closest value. Then we have here stay in drawing model, look all drawing, and also we have here other option. If we click over here, I will select the dark theme if I want, and here we have how it looks right now. So to get it started right now, we have just to select this one, and you here expect, or here we have to choose search more and more about the groups, and then you have to expect if you want to here improve or if you want to eliminate as well. So then you select if you want to buy or sell, and that's it for this one. You can use also here this option to connect draw our trusted brokers. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, adding trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. So you have just to follow the steps and you get started, and you sign up with this platform, then you will be able to get started with this platform. So that's it for this video. See you again in the next video, guys.